morning. Today, once again, we're going to focus on finding missing angles and then adding angles up as well. The first thing I want to review is the protractor. We used these before we left for our long break. A protractor measures 180 degrees. If you take two 90-degree angles, which I have right here, it would equal 180 degrees. Also, a straight line is going to be 180 degrees. So I did a little work down here below, focusing on what we're going to be doing today. If I'm given 180 degrees, and then part of my protractor, or part of this entire angle, ABC, is 90 degrees, what is CBD? Well, I'd take the 180 degrees and I'd subtract 90 degrees, subtracting this from the entire 180, which would equal 90 degrees. So my missing angle would be 90 degrees. Let's move on to another problem. So this time, it's a larger problem, still using 180 degrees, but it's a little bit more complicated. So now I've given you two parts of this whole angle, and you're going to have to find the missing part. So I gave you 80 degrees, I gave you 60 degrees, but now you have to find what is this angle. Well, first I'm going to add the two angles given together, 60 plus 80, which is equal to 140. So then I want to take my 140 degrees. Again, I added these two together. Now I'm going to take my 140 degrees and I'm going to subtract that from 180. Now it doesn't tell me it's 180, but I know that because I know a protractor is 180 degrees and that straight line is always going to be 180 degrees. So I'm going to subtract it. I have 40 degrees left over. So I know my missing angle, which is CBA, is equal to 40 degrees. So I will put 40 degrees as my answer. You see how I did this? I added these two, equals 140. Then I'm subtracting it from 180 degrees, which is 40 degrees. Okay? Just a couple more. So now we're going to find the entire angle. What's the entire angle of X, Y, Z? I've given three parts to the angle. I have 30 degrees as one part, 45 degrees is another part, and 40 degrees as one more part. So now you're going to have to add all of these together to find the total of X, Y, Z. So I'm going to do so. I know 30 plus 40 is 70. I'm doing that mentally in my head. And then I want to add 45 to it. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 4 is 11. So I know my entire angle is 115 degrees. Do not forget to put that degree sign because that's labeling the problem. Okay? Now finally, I have some practice for you today. Remember, this practice does not need to be submitted. You're just doing it on your own and it's just part of the honor system. So here's the practice. You can pause the screen, but make sure you complete these 4 problems today for your math work. And there you have it. I hope you have a great day, and tomorrow I'll be posting another YouTube video. Then Thursday we'll have a Zoom meeting, and then Friday I'll have a Prodigy assignment. If you ever want to work on more math at home, Prodigy is a great resource to use. Have a great day. Bye.